don't read and write poetry because it's cute. We read and write poetry because we are members of the human race. And the human race is filled with passion. And medicine, law, business, engineering, these are noble pursuits and necessary to stay alive. But poetry, beauty, romance, love, these are what we stay alive for. To quote from Whitman, oh me, oh life, of this question of this recurring, of the endless train of the faithless, of cities filled with the foolish. What good amid this? Oh me, oh life. Answer, that you are here, that life exists, and identity. That the powerful play goes on, and you may contribute a verse. That the powerful play goes on, and you may contribute a verse. What will your verse be?